be a smoother ride, so it won't be as bumpy. But if we get rain, it'll be better if you guys are kind of protected, you know?
You want to tie it up? Go ahead, do it. After this, you want to slide there? Danny, I put your sunscreen here. I don't know when you want me to keep it. Oh, I called Jimmy and this guy Ariel, the big guy.
No one answered?
This guy answered me when we were leaving Hillsborough, thankfully. You want how much? 40? You got it.
That's in there?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, he just loaded that reward.
Yeah, pop a wall on there.
Yeah.
What do you prefer? Mine's in the front, over there.
Y'all put them all in one thing?
As much as we can, just so we can split out and pick up a couple filters.
Nice to see you too. Are you having a nice day? Yeah. You sleep well? Yeah. How's your sister?
Robert, you going to garbage? Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking from the bridge. Cloud9 would like to welcome you to Key West, Cayo West. We have total traveled 207 nautical miles for a total trip time of 6 hours, including the stop for bait. So we are making pretty good time. And we will notify you when we are ready to leave Cayo West. Over and out.
Circle the boat around or something? That's what I'm used to. Danny?
Yeah.
Any words?
Decided to wet some lures. If we could pick up a wahoo on the way to Yanni's fishing spot. So, stay tuned. If we see any action, we'll turn the cameras back on. Clear the other rod, guys.
You think don't record?
Let me put it on 2-speed for you. Is that on 2? Yeah. Got it?
Okay, go.
Still on there, Robert?
Yeah, we're still good. It's nice and easy. Keep going, baby. Keep going.
Talk about Yanni.
Have the drag. There you go. Nice and easy, right, Danny?
Nice and easy, brother.
Whoa.
What a monster!
I thought Yanni was nice. Yeah, that's a good one.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's what we came for.
I don't mind talking like that. That's not a nuisance fish.
What is it? What's that?
Ah, it's a little red grouper. A little red grouper.
Aw, let's see it. It jumped.
Jumped?
Yeah.
Still got him on?
I clear this one.
It's like a cooler or something.
I clear this one.
You still got him on? Make sure you're on 2-speed. Huh?
Put up the drag, baby. All the way. There you go. That's it.
Oh, you got a fish on too, I think. Yeah, she's got a fish on, bro. That might be a wahoo. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Looking like a wahoo, Robert.
30 feet of water, Danny.
That could be a tuna, but it could be a wahoo too.
All the way in.
Keep going. It's fighting like a cuda.
Grab the lure and put it in that corner. It jumped.
It's good bait, bro.
Yanni, throw it, throw it.
Good bait for what, Danny? Confirm it's a cuda before I go back there.
Yep.
That's amigo mi cura.
Yeah, there you had it.
This is good, man.
Yeah. No, it's good. There you go. Watch out your hands. We're far from anything. civilization.
Oh my God.
Wait, be careful, bro. Hang on. Let me get the,
Yeah. All right, got it.
Nice, Robert. How does it feel?
It feels better than Miami. Of course it will, right?
That worked out. I'll put your weight back.
Oh, yeah, Danny. I got it. Here, wait. Don't put it. He's a keeper. Right? Hang on.
My dog is a keeper. I promise. Oh, shit. Hit him.
No! Bro, what the fuck is wrong with you? Yeah, bro.
Oh my God.
There we go.
I think this was getting in the way. That's a keeper.
Nice keeper.
So how much?
Here. I'm taking it again. 50, right? Let's let go. We had a pick on. I got a leader. I got the leader here. Let me get the leader. Yeah, what's that? Oh shit! Don't miss. Doesn't matter where I got it, right?
That's even bigger. Nice job, Dave.
It's a
We're going
repeat.
ballistic. Brother,
You can see them digging. When they dig like
did
that,
you
know
see
it
that?
is. When you see them digging, you know exactly what it is.
I don't know where your phone is. Wow, dude. Hell yeah.
I think that was eagle.
I think he is.
That was a big one.
Woo!
The camera, man. I feel like if I take out the camera, we're gonna everything.
Yeah, when you can't mess with the juju, right?
Oh my gosh, look at
Right
that.
on the tips.
Yeah, I think that one should be good.
Tail on the tape.
The tape never lies, man. He's got a hole in him, so I hope he goes.
Makes it.
Oh yeah, he's 22, Papa. 22. 22. I'm ready, man.
That's a big yellow tail.
Big yellow.
Hey, Daniel, he's on the boat.
No, you didn't got anything.
He's on the boat, don't matter.
You didn't got anything.
There you go,
You
babe.
got a nice fish.
That's a beautiful fish. When Danny loses his arm.
He could see.
Get it closer to the boat, Danny.
No, bro, are you kidding me? What's it? He hits the boat?
Oh, see, he's not excited.
Eat over there, you big Goliath.
He's big, man. He's eyeballing it.
Oh, he's not interested. He's, not,
He's just turning around.
he's a big guy. Wait, turning him around.
It's hard to turn that guy around, huh? Oh, his tail is really messed up. It's like split fin.
Hold on, mangoes are the other juices.
Yeah, the other guy's coming for it.
You want me to hand you?
Yeah, you could. He's right there.
He'd probably rip off your arm
For sure.
and then beat you over the head with it.
And we would call you Nub. He's so cool. Danny, pet him.
Pat him.
Danny, pet him. Get out of here, bro. There's another one deeper.
Yeah.
Look, look.
Did you see how he ate?
2 seconds.
That sounds shark.
No, it's not
No.
Oh,
That's another
no?
one.
Oh,
Look at him. Look at him.
it's sharky.
That's a big mouth.
That's at least 400
Look
pounds.
at his tail. His tail's all messed up.
That's at least 400 pounds.
That's a little baby one, though. Yeah. Get it closer, Danny.
Here he comes. Oh god, Danny, please don't get your arm ripped off.
Oh, he's right there. He's rubbing on your boat, Danny. Danny, push it down. He's getting forced out. So much for strategizing.
Oh, he likes little guys too, huh? Oh, mangoes are gonna go crazy for those.
Oh, that one's maybe alive.
Oh, yeah. Suelto, está suelto. Oh, nice.
You know, you would have messed up one of those cogs. He doesn't like little fish.
No. He's waiting for one of the little fish to like,
Mess up.
yeah, get in front of his mouth.
Here in a moment. Night 1. Danny?
I'd say it was a successful day. It's a long crossing, but this is what we came for.
Robert?
It was a long day today, but people taught me what to do.
You gotta do it like this now too.
Oh, for the short lures.
Day 1 of Tortugas fishing. Masturbated Junior, what do you have to say?
Successful. I'd say we had low expectations, given that we had a 7-hour crossing from Pompano Beach over to the Dry Tortugas. But we made something happen even on day 1. What do you say, Masturbated Cuz?
Good day. People would be proud. I love you, people.
All right, sleeping accommodations on the Cloud 9, or shall I say, our 2-bedroom chalet. We are with Shuggy. Oh boy, nice little tent. I'm gonna get some sleep so we can destroy him again tomorrow.
Oh, but like I can almost touch him with my hand. Oh my God, there's 2 of them. Yes, there's another one. That's like the ones at the reef, right? Look, Daniel's one right here, right in front of the boat. Imagine at night.
I just don't know.
Yeah? I got hit on one. I got pecked on a couple. Yeah, let's give it another shot.
I thought you needed to wait.
I got it on. Got him on. I don't know. It's so deep. You can tell.
We're already past the day.
Robert, get the gas. I see something.
putting marks at the bottom, Danny, right now. Go, 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 go.
Is that good, Danny?
I think you're gonna get picked up quick for this, please. But there's gotta be something else that's not a mutton down there too.
Mutton will eat this too. I'm getting wind direction.
Back to backs. It's tiny. It's a baby.
Are those yellow eyes or are those like silky?
Silky. If it does explode, it can coming up so quick. He was, I think he just got hit.
Bro, are you kidding me?
He just got whacked.
Digging nicely.
Somebody got a shark.
What?
He started pulling.
Oh, he's still on there, bro.
I don't think it's copperfish, man. Yeah, copperfish.
Oh, bro, it was the right kind, too.
He wasn't that big, though. I don't know why he was
Oh my god, that is a big shark bite.
the right fish.
Oh, poor little fish.
Any color. Hey, yellow eye, bro.
What we want.
A yellow eye snapper.
I want to switch over to the chicken wing then.
Oh, yeah.
Let me see,
I think
Robert.
we found a
Robert,
pile
lift
of
it
them
up.
is what we did.
This is yellow. That's my favorite fish to eat today.
Robert, lift it up.
It's literally my favorite fish in the world to eat.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Yellow eye
Wow.
Yellow eye snappers. fresh and direct from the Dry Tortugas.
Let me know, the yellow eye.
Yellow eye. It's a yellow eye.
Nice. Yellow and perfect. Beautiful. That's a nice one.
This is what we tried to do at Bimini.
Go ahead.
Set them off.
Come back.
Oh, I think he's coming. Right
Come back
back.
for more.
Mira, se cagó en su madre. Se cagó en su madre.
Pobrecito.
Jeanette, come on. He deserved every inch of what he got.
Oh my gosh. Robert, thank you. All right.
That's for people.
Still on there? Got a double? Oh, it drifted considerably from the last one. Oh, no. I got a long ass leader.
Oh, that's a good one.
I'll cut this down.
Blue runner. He might have swam into me.
Got it.
I'm surprised this hasn't popped. I'm surprised this hasn't popped, Danny.
Yeah, me neither.
I was hesitant on my foot, on my mouth, on my fishing line. He's not happy, but he's coming.
It's been 8 minutes.
So we have to thank,
Daniel?
yeah, he's coming. So we have to thank for this, Yanni.
Straight up and down with him now, right?
Yeah.
He's working. He's coming up. He's not happy, but he's coming up, Danny.
Bro, just pop that line, bro.
We got him. No, Danny, I want a picture with him. I want to grab his tail.
Yeah, bullshit. I don't want a broken rod out of this.
No, there's no decision. I'm gonna pop him, Danny.
Go for it.
Oh, but we can't see him?
Your wife wants me to catch him so she can see him, Danny.
Is it worth the $300 rod?
It's not my rod.
Yeah, no, it's not.
Why do you think it's gonna pop? Isn't this like a top of the? You sell me on this top of the line equipment. You should be able to handle
No,
this.
this is not top of the line today. I have this one.
Be careful if you pop it, it doesn't pop you in the face.
Yeah. I'm gonna go right.
Go right a little bit.
Go, Yanni.
So I can turn the boat.
Oh, no. You want me to help you?
No, no, put it down that rod. Make sure you keep it down.
Are you on the bottom there, Robert?
I think so. It just weighs a ton.
Yeah, tell me when you're on the chain. I'll come.
Mind the chain bit? I'm not leading. What happened to that, Danny?
Yeah, right? We're not really quite digging.
You want the girls to try?
Just move the boat up. I want the girls to see him. Did you see him, Gordy?
I saw him, but he's already back deep, which made him look smaller, but I know he must be huge.
Oh, hopefully he's not the shark. That was a big fish. He didn't run really hard though.
No, I think it's over.
Sorry. You got
Yanni should fight him.
It's a king, you're gonna regret it.
No, I'm not. I'm gonna gap him for you.
The king would have taken out 300 yards already.
Like that?
No, a lot more than that. You know that.
Maybe it's a smaller cane.
That was a big one. On they come to the surface. Oh, it's right on his head, Yanni, look.
There wasn't any line coming around here?
Dude, I threw it away. Yeah, I threw it away, though.
In the back? No, it was in the back. Is that bait in there?
This is bait. This is calamari. Are we getting rid of calamari?
Yeah, get rid of everything.
Carry the pelican. Oh, yeah, man. Guys, it's jerk. The prop. Oof. Let's see if I get him closer for tonight. I get him closer to you, Danny.
That's a good one.
One way in though, Danny. Give me a break. You got nervous tonight. Don't let
See him, Chicky?
don't
You see
let
him?
him bite you. Did he eat it?
Not yet. He's straight down.
I see him. I don't see the big guy.
Wow, look at the size of that mangrove.
Where?
Whoa. That mangrove right there.
Oh yeah, I see him. He's big.
Bro, has 16 all day.
Yep,
Oh,
I
he
got
just
it.
ate it.
See the tail sticking out.
Num nums.
Where's the other one when you need him?
Are you sure that's him?
Oh, no, that's a smaller one.
It
don't have the
does look
split tail.
smaller. It
That's
does look
okay.
Yeah, he
smaller.
doesn't have the split tail. He's faster. He's more skittish too.
Oh, look at the jack. Jack Rob. Put the midship stick here. let it run as long as we can. But Dito, man, he feels like a
Yanni,
tank,
come
Danny.
here.
Danny, try it. Danny, come
No,
here.
no, no, I'm good,
Oh,
bro.
he feels like a tank. Do
No,
that.
no, no, I'm good.
Go,
Look, he's
pet
waiting
him,
for
pet him.
Coquita.
Let's
He's
go.
waiting for Coquita.
Let's go. Come here, puppy. He's right there. Look at him. He must be sucking on your live well drains or something. Buddy. Hey, buddy.
Oh
Buddy?
my god, he's gonna come around really quickly
Hey,
and
Bobby.
snap at you.
No, don't like a dump truck.
Danny, I'm not gonna knock this. I'm just gonna close it. Okay. Just put a regular. Not room for my head.
Flipping Joey. Oh, yeah, he follows up from the dock
Oh, and you keep cleaning
all
fish.
the way to the boat. No, because he knows that about 9 catches and slays, Bobby.
Look at that. It's always a good deal, though.
We have it to the back. Oh, there's some mommy cuts up in here. And mommy cuts. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Where should we go?
I got my nice shirt on.
Yes.
Yeah, what you asked. My wife's nice and clean. Her Robert's all gray. They haven't shown me anything that gives me confidence. Go back or go back? Not that one. Monday, 10 to 15, 5 to 10 in the afternoon. Maybe by small craft exercise, cautious for all. Tonight. Huh? Tonight, so I mean it'll be windy time.
No, but that's hot. That's in Miami.
Yeah, but I'm sure there's gonna be something.
No, look at this over here.
Look at the hook on the side of the jaw. There we go. They don't call me. They call you before.
Yeah, I had people call from home.
Alright, my bad. Traveled 572 miles. Nah, that's a lot.
Someone's over there.
Horse movie. You want me to drop that one in?
Hello. Hello.
The trunk, that was it? The trunk's still in there?
Gotta be careful with those, Danny. That one doesn't slip out of that bucket.
You know what she's worried about?